Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tutormania. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add collaborators on your GitHub repository. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser. Now search Google, then go to github.com. So I don't have any repository. Let me create a repository first. So now what you have to do, you have to go to settings in your repository. Then you will see an option collaborators. Just open it. Now here it will ask you your password to confirm your identity. Now here you will see an option called add people. Just tap it. Now here you have to search the name of the person you want to add as a collaborator. You can add multiple collaborators from here in your GitHub repository. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe our channel Tutormania. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. See ya.